Hello everyone, let's discuss the third problem of AtCoder beginner contest 347, which is ideal holidays. So this is slightly tougher than the other third problem of AtCoder beginner contest. So let's discuss the problem first. So what is the problem? We are given a and b, two integers. So a week consists of a plus b days, where the first a days are holidays and the next b days are weekdays. Now Takahashi has n plans and ith plan is scheduled di days later. Okay, he has forgotten what week of the day it is today. Determine if it is possible for all his n plans to be scheduled on holidays. So what the problem is? So we have 7 days from the first day till a plus b days. So this will be a plus b, and the first a days are holidays and the rest b days are weekdays. So these are holidays and these are weekdays. Now Takahashi will be at some day of the week, so let's consider that it is as x day of the week. So after so he wants to have such x such that all the x plus di's are holidays, all the x plus di's as holidays. Now let's take one example, you will understand it better. 3 to 5, 1 to 9. So there are first 3 days, sorry, there are first 2 days, first day and second day is holiday, and the rest of the 5 days are weekdays. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are weekdays. Okay, now what happens is that he has three programs first on the first, second and ninth day. So let's increase this, let's call it as 8 and 9. 8 and 9 are also holidays. Now you can see that let's say current day is the 0th day. So let's say x equals to 0, let's consider x equals to 0. Then 0 plus 1 is a holiday, 0 plus 2 is also a holiday, and 0 plus 9 is also a holiday. So if x equals to 0, our answer is possible. So that's why our answer will be yes. Now let's consider that x equals to 1. Let's consider that x equals to 1. That means x plus di will be 3, 2, 3 and 10. Now you can see that the 2 is holiday, but 3 and 10 are not holidays. So that's why for x equals to 1, this is not possible. We have to find any one x such that all the x plus di's are possible. If we can find one x, then our answer will be yes. Otherwise, our answer will be no. Now let's discuss about the brute force algorithm. So let's write observations. So in observations, first discuss about brute force algorithm. So what is the brute force algorithm? We will iterate over all the x values, all the x values. Now what is the limit of x? So should we iterate over all 0 to infinity? No, that's not the case, because we have to take x plus di modulo a plus b. Why? Because you are seeing that there are 7 days in the week. Now we can map this 8 to the first day of the week, because 8 is obviously the first day of the week, the next week. This is the first week, and from 8 the next week starts. So if we can do x plus di modulo 1 a plus b, we will get 8 as the first day of the week and 9 as the second day of the week. So what I am trying to say is that what is the for brute force algorithm, we can iterate over all the values of x from 0 less than equals to x less than a plus b, and we will check all the possible cases, that if all x plus di modulo a plus b is in holidays or holiday or not. So for checking that, what we can do, we can check x plus di modulo a plus b and check that if it is less than a, then our answer is possible, and otherwise our answer is not possible. So that's the condition we have to check for all the di's values for the brute force algorithm. Now what is the time complexity of this brute force algorithm? The time complexity of this brute force algorithm is nothing but order of a plus b. What is the value of a plus b? So let's look at that later. So it time complexity will be order of a plus b, and for every a plus b, for every x value we are iterating over all the di's values, so that will be order of a plus b into n. Now let's check the constants. So constants on n is 2 into 10 to the power 5, but constants on a and b is 10 to the power 9. So we can't include this a plus b factor. So this is definitely not possible. So our overall time complexity could be like order of n or order of log n log n, or n log a plus b, you can say, but we are not going into that. So our overall time complexity could be order of n or order of n log n. Now how we are going to solve this? So the first observation we are making is that the case, this condition, this condition should be satisfied such that x plus di modulo a plus b uh, should be uh, less than a. Okay, that is the condition that we have to satisfy. So for that, let's take all the di values modulo a plus b. So let's take this case only, x equals to 1 to 9, x equals to 1 to 9, and a plus b is 7. So if we take the modulo, we will get 1, 2 and 2. Okay, now after that we will check the what is the minimum value. Minimum value of the week is 1 and the maximum value is 2. So there are total 2 days in the week. So we'll take 2 minus 1 plus 1 is less than equals to 2. Sorry, 2 minus 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and which is less than equals to a. So this answer is possible. But if we take 1, 2 and 10, then after modulo it will become 1, 2, 3. Now the 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1 will be 3, which is greater than a. So our answer will be no. That's our algorithm. But this algorithm breaks when after modulo, let's say we have 7 days in a week, and after modulo, let's say we have 1 and 6. Okay, let's consider that 1 and 6. Now according to this algorithm, we will be having maximum value minus minimum value plus 1. 6 minus 1 plus 1 is greater than a. Okay, greater than our a. Let's consider a as 2. Okay, so let's consider a as 3, and b as 4. Okay, so you were saying that according to our algorithm our answer is not possible. But what we can do, we can consider that let's say now let's consider x as 2. Now we are getting x plus 1. X plus 1 will be 3, and x plus c will be, let's consider x as 2. So x plus 6 will be 8. Now 8 modulo 7 is 1. Now both 1 and 3 are in the range. So 1 and 3 are less than equals to a. So our answer is possible. So what we are doing, we have to check that we have to check from 6 to 7 and from 0 to 1. We have to check that case also. So our first case was from 1 to 6. We are checking this range 1 to 6, the number of days here, but we have to check this range also, like some overlapping in 6 to 7, and there will be 1 here also, so 7 to 1. So we have to check this range also. So for that, what we can do, we can take let's jump into the code. I will explain the code. Now what we will do, we will modulo every di value by a plus b. After that we will be getting some all the di values will be from 0 to a plus b minus 1. So after that we will sort the array. Now what is the maximum value? So what is the maximum value? The maximum value will be according to our first algorithm, maximum minus minimum plus 1. Now after that, let's say we have some di values, let's say d0, d1, d2, something like that till dn. Now what we will do, we will check that take from the range 0 to di. We will take the from the range 0 to di, and from di plus 1, let's consider this as di and this as di plus 1. We will take this range 0 to di, and we will take di plus 1 till n. Now we will check this if the from 0 to di and di plus 1 to n, the sum of this is less than a or not, less than equals to a or not. If it is less than equals to a, our answer is yes, otherwise our answer is no. Okay, so that's why we are taking p equals to minimum of p comma di plus a plus b minus 1 minus di plus 1. So it's nothing but considering the two cases. Okay, now if p is less than equals to a, our answer will be yes, otherwise our answer will be no. So the observations, let me go through them once again. The overall time complexity will be order of n log n because we are sorting the array. Now after that we are taking every value di modulo a plus b, and our first algorithm, our first thought process was that we are taking the maximum value of d and minimum value of d and taking the difference between them. That will not solve our case when we have some cases like that. So some we will have some start of the days, like this case 1 and 6. We will be having this 6 to 7 and 7 to 1. I hope you get this explanation. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt in any part of the explanation, you can always ask in the comment section. I will provide the link of the code in the description box. Thank you.